Hi, welcome back for my another compare video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Display type, panel type, screen size, display resolution, refresh rate, brightness, display colors, pixel density, response time, video processor, HDMI variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, consumer electronic control, high gig, HDR formats, filmmaker mode, anti-reflection coating, HDMI ports, USB ports, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, supports Miracast, TV platform, version and operating system updates, Chromecast, HomeKit, AirPlay 2, voice assistance, speakers, HDMI ARC and ERC, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby AC3 AC4, Detach X, Detach Digital Surround, Detach HD, Detach HD Master Audio, dimensions, weight, wall mount, special features, tuners, thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.